Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to change color in Photoshop in simple way. For example, if you want to change the color of any image and shirt, shoes, hair, what you want. So I will show everything in detail in so easy way. Okay, so subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, like the video and comment any question you want. Okay, so first of all, if you have a Telegram in your mobile, go to your mobile and search to download Telegram app from Play Store and search here MRWIP. Okay, search Mr. Whip. Okay, after search Mr. Whip, just click here Mr. Whip channel and join this channel. Your every problem will solve here, and I have a special gift for you. Okay, join it. Okay, now first of all, if you want to change the color of anything, just go to the image which you are, click on the file, and after clicking on the file, just click on the open. Open means you have to open the image which you want to change something. For example, now you will see how I am going to change everything. So first of all, for example, this is the image. If you want to change something, for example, you want to change something in any picture. For example, this is the picture. I want to change the color of this shirt or anything. You just click on the open button. Click on the open button. Just this is the image which have come to you. Now if you want to change the color of the hair, what can you do? So for that purpose, you have to just click on the zoom. For changing color, this is the color option. This you have to just click the color and if you want to add the color, any color, I have click on the white color and the color is become white. I again another color, just click convert it to another color. Okay, now these both are become white. Now what can you do? Just click on the zoom button, and this is the zoom out and this is the zoom in. So click on the zoom in and just zoom this picture. I zoom this picture. Now what can you just follow the step which I can do. For example, if you want to just change the color of this hair, sir, you have to select the polygon laser tool by L. Okay, just by polygon L, you have to just select the hair of this person. I have selecting the hairs because I want to change the color of the hair. Now just wait, I will show another best tricks without the which will make your image very amazing. Okay, now I just select the hair of this person. Now this hair is selected. What can you do? If you want to change the color, if you click here is a pen. Okay, when you click on the pen and just give him a color white color, you see this what is going on. This is not the best color. Okay, so for this purpose, just click on the Ctrl Z to undo the selection. Undo the selection. Now I want to change the color of this by blending by best thing. So you have to open the new. You have to click on the open new button, new and new image. You have to make new page and just give him white color. Now I make it white color. Just select a part of this image. I select a part of this image and just click on the drop down here from this to here. Okay, now this is become a layer. Okay, just click on, just zoom, just click on the control, just click on the control T button. You will see the image, but I am going to show how it is going. You have to click on the zoom button and zoom, apply. You have to click on the zoom, after zoom out. Okay, now I going to zoom out. Just click here Control T. Okay, now this is the white color which I have selected. You have to make here on the here. Okay, now where background. Now just click on the apply. Okay, when I click on the apply button, this is the background. You just this is the background. Okay, this is the, you have just click on the background and click on the polygon. You just click on the, this is the layer. Okay, you have to just, this is the eye, you just now I will show you how is it going. Just click on the zoom in, okay, zoom in. Okay, now this is, I want to zoom in. Okay, now just click on again the polygon and again make a selection of this hair. I have make a selection. I have make a selection in this person hair. You see, now just click on the layer. Okay, click on the layer, and in this layer this image is selected. Okay, what can you do? Just you have to, what can you do? Just copy, just you have to, I have converted this to here. Just click on the Control T button. Control T. Now I want to. Okay, just on. This is selected. Now this is the layer which I have delete this layer. Now I did it, and just here is a image which I just click on the move button and move here into this. Okay, now this is selected. Just click on the Control T. When I click on the Control T, I will resize this image to fit into his hair. Okay, you will see the magic. Just wait for it. Okay, you will see the best magic in this image. Now, because this image is not completed, and don't underestimate the power of this editing. Just click on the enter button. When you click on the enter button, just click on the layer and click on the blending, click on the layer properties. When you click on the layer properties, don't just click on the, this is the capacity, just click on the capacity and make its capacity less. Okay, and another thing, you have to just click on the dissolve. Okay, after not dissolve, just you have darken. Okay, you see this image has become so dark now. And another best option, just if you want to change the color of this shirt, what can you do? Just click on the control. Just I have select the, you have to select the hair of this person. Just select. Okay, now you have selected this thing. You have selected this. Just click on the Control B. When you click on the Control B, just this, you can select the, you can change her color. Okay, any color which you want. Okay, just click on the OK button. Control D. Now this color is being changed. Wow. Now just click on the magic tool, and in the magic tool I select this. I have selected this short. Okay, now I want to change the color of this. Just click on the Control B button. Okay, when you can click on the Control B, just make a change in it. You will see the black color is become another color, will become another color in so simple way. Okay, now this color is not selected well, so I make, just click on the polygon app, and this is the subtract from the selection. I want to subtract it from the selection. Okay, this, because here is a hand is selected in selection. Now you see the hand is now removed, and now the mic is also selected part of this. Now this is also selected. This is selected. Now just click on the Control B. When you click on the control B, just you can change the color of this to your desired color. Okay, wow, this color has been changed. Now just click on the control B and this color has changed. Okay, if you want more about this, I will show to you the best thing. If you this is I don't use it so precise because the selection, for example, I have done this unselected. You have to do this simple way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and search Mr. Whip on the Telegram. For any question, for any editing, I will edit your photo, everything. Just click on the Mr. Whip and search here Mr. Whip and join it. Okay, thanks for watching.